Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Bee balm. A perennial favourite of mine, bee balm, aka the wild bergamot, flowers in mid to late summer. This native plant is beloved by hummingbirds, bees and butterflies. Bee balm is a native American plant not only known for its attractive scarlet flowers that bloom in the summertime, but also its fragrant foliage. The plant has a hardiness zone from 3 to 9. The slender tubular flowers are produced in 2 to 3 inch wide flower heads in June and July. Flower colours include white, pink, red, lavender and purple. And its most frequent visitors are the hummingbirds, bees and butterflies. Besides attracting pollinators, the seed heads will attract birds in the fall and winter. To give the bee balm the best start, I dug a nice hole and placed fresh compost to help the plants and roots grow. If you want to see more of my episodes, search for the Great North Gardener or subscribe.